Have you seen those hyper-realistic glass fruit ASMR videos blowing up everywhere lately? The ones where a hand slices what looks like a glass mango or strawberry, and the sound is so crisp it gives you goosebumps. This is the new goldmine of viral content, and people are getting millions of views from videos made with just one free tool. Google Veo3. It's trending hard on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram right now. Some creators are unlocking monetization just from this trend. New channels are getting 10,000 to 50,000 views per video. And the best part? You don't even need to show your face. In this full tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step using Google Veo3, the AI tool that's making it all possible. We'll create your first glass fruit ASMR video with a slicing knife, juicy fruit textures, and realistic sound. Let's get started. How to access Google Veo3. Go to your browser and search for Google Veo3 or click on the link in the description box to access Google Veo3. On the landing page, you'll see two options. Try in Gemini. Try in Flow. Click on Try in Flow. This will take you to the Veo Flow interface. Sign in with your Google account, your Gmail. If you don't have one, create a free Gmail account. After signing in, click on New Project. Note, Veo3 is currently in early access. You can use it for free for 1 month, but it requires card details to activate the trial. You can cancel at any time. Here's where the magic happens. Veo3 is prompt-based, meaning you just tell it what to create in natural language, and it generates ultra-realistic videos. Let's break it down step by step. What you're prompting Veo3 to do. We want to generate one glass fruit at a time, placed on a table or plate. A human hand holding a sharp knife will appear and slice the fruit realistically into pieces, revealing a juicy but glassy interior. We'll also instruct Veo3 to add sound effects for realism. This is how it works. Choose one fruit per generation. Describe the scene: fruit, camera angle, action, sound. Make it ultra-realistic and satisfying to watch. Next, generate prompt example for Veo3. Let's say you want to do a glass mango. Here's what to paste inside Veo3. A hyper-realistic ASMR video of a glass mango placed on a wooden cutting board. A human hand enters from the side holding a sharp kitchen knife and begins slicing the mango in half, then into pieces. The interior of the mango is semi-translucent, juicy, and glowing slightly. Include realistic slicing sounds and subtle background ASMR ambiance. Use cinematic lighting and a shallow depth of field for focus. If you want a coconut instead, type in this prompt. A close-up ASMR video of a transparent glass coconut on a white marble table. A hand gently holds the coconut while cutting it open with a strong kitchen knife. The inside reveals a white soft texture like coconut flesh, but made of glass. Water-like juice drips slowly. Add crystal clear slicing sounds and ambient ASMR effects. You can repeat this with strawberries, pineapple, dragon fruit, kiwi, grapes, star fruit. If you want the prompt for this, you can comment "I need prompt." Next, export the video. Once Veo3 finishes generating the clip, review it. You can rerun or tweak if needed. Download in high quality. Use CapCut, VN, or Premiere Rush to add extra zoom or background sound if you want. That's it. Now you're ready to post on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Pro tips to go viral and earn watch time. Post one fruit per short, don't overcrowd the video. Use 8-second to 15-second videos. Add suspense or close-up before cutting. Use viral ASMR hashtags like #glassfruitASMR, #Veo3, #ASMRtrend. Upload at peak times, like 8 a.m. or 8 p.m. Use a catchy thumbnail example. Realistic glass mango sliced in half. Yes, Veo3 is a paid tool, but the first month is free. You just need to add card details like Visa or MasterCard. You can hit cancel anytime. This is the tool top creators are now using not just for ASMR but also for talking avatars. AI lip sync music videos, surreal cinematics. In future videos, we'll cover more tricks to use Veo3 like a pro. Jump on this trend now before it gets saturated. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and, most importantly, subscribe to the channel for more AI-powered content creation hacks. If you want to see how I created this mind-blowing AI music video, click the link in the description to watch that next. Also check out the full playlist where I teach everything about YouTube growth viral short and AI video tutorial so you can grow your channel fast and start earning. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.